Yeah, we never miss these events, I'll say that. So for me, it's a lot about the relationship building.
It's one of the few places where I think I come and talk to my competitors, which is funny.
I love interacting with the actual product owners and the engineers from Amazon to really talk about some of the nitty-gritties around the APIs, maybe, some challenges we're facing.
It's very important to meet people and exchange knowledge, take a coffee with someone, because usually you're gonna get insights like outside of your office.
It's a great way to get an idea on what they're working on, comparing notes, opening our eyes to some opportunities for collaboration.
I think we all have the same challenges and share how we approach that. So I think that community is really helpful. I think it makes me think about what we should be doing maybe differently with our product or where we should be going.